Hello, in this video, we're going to find the limit as h approaches 0 of the square root of 1 plus 2x plus 2h minus the square root of 1 plus 2x, all divided by h. And here we're told that x is not equal to 0. So the first thing you should do when looking at limits is to take this number and put it where the h is. You'll notice right away if we do that, we end up dividing by 0, so that won't work. So then we need a new strategy. So because we have a square root minus a square root, we're going to do what's called rationalize the numerator. So basically, we're going to multiply by the following. So we have the square root of 1 plus 2x plus 2h plus the square root of 1 plus 2x over the exact same thing. Square root of 1 plus 2x plus 2h plus square root of 1 plus 2x. So basically all you do is switch the sign. Because there's a minus, we put a plus. And we're doing this because now we can apply the difference of squares formula. So the difference of squares formula says if you have a minus b times a plus b, you get a squared minus b squared. So a in our example is the square root of 1 plus 2x plus 2h, and b is the square root of 1 plus 2x. Let's go ahead and work through it. Solution. I'm going to go ahead and write the limit sign again. So we have limit as h approaches 0. And our a is the square root of 1 plus 2x plus 2h. When you square that, it goes away. So we just get 1 plus 2x plus 2h. Minus, and then our b is the square root of 1 plus 2x. So when you square that, it goes away. Now it's two terms, so it's really important to put parentheses. 1 plus 2x. And then on the bottom, we have the h, and we still have all of this stuff over here. So parentheses, square root 1 plus 2x plus 2h, then plus the square root of 1 plus 2x. So really important to not forget that. It's really easy to forget it. There's a minus 1 here, so we can distribute it. And you can see when we do that, the 1's will cancel, and also 2x will cancel with the negative 2x. So we're left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 2h over h parentheses. Then we have the square root of 1 plus 2x plus 2h plus the square root of 1 plus 2x. Now the h's cancel, so this is equal to the limit as h approaches 0. And then we have 1 over, we still have the stuff on the bottom, so the square root of 1 plus 2x plus 2h plus the square root of 1 plus 2x. And so at this point, we can actually plug in h equals 0, and there's no funny division by 0 like there was at the beginning of the problem. When you do that, that's when you drop the limit sign. This is 1 over. So now we're just going to get the square root of, well, h is 0, so 2 times 0 is 0, so we just get 1 plus 2x. And then it happens again, plus the square root of 1 plus 2x. So we have 2 of them. So this is going to be equal to, oh, I forgot the 2. There's a 2 here. Missed my 2 there. It's 2 over 2 times square root 1 plus 2x. And these 2's cancel. We get 1 over square root 1 plus 2x. Really easy to mess up, as you can see. And so that would be the final answer in this problem. Yeah, I almost forgot the 2 there. Very, very close call. Hopefully this video has helped you learn some calculus. Until next time, good luck and take care.